Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in income and positioning towers where balloons must pass. Do this now, not later. Place farms or income sources within the first 3 rounds to ensure steady cash, and set choke points so towers hit many balloons. Once done, invest in a primary damage dealer before round 10 and add quick, inexpensive units for cleanup. You do this because early economy plus optimal placement compounds into survivability and gives you the firepower to scale into intense rounds. You now focus on upgrade paths and synergy. Upgrade a single target tower for high DPS while developing an area or support line to handle clusters. Make sure to add a slowing or crowd control unit to extend damage on target, because that multiplies your tower's effectiveness. Once done, slot in synergy units like buff or debuff towers that enable late-game popping. Balance spending. Keep enough income growth coming, but prioritize targeted upgrades before rounds with mass spawns so you don't get overwhelmed. You finish by preparing final defenses and an emergency plan. Keep reserve cash and 1 or 2 abilities ready to use at spikes. Activate timed abilities precisely during peak waves. Use stuns and burst damage to clear Moab-class threats, and target abilities where they hit the most. If things go wrong, sell low-efficiency towers and buy the highest DPS options you can afford to recover quickly. This troubleshooting step saves rounds because it converts inefficient setups into concentrated firepower instantly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.